In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page transitions in Adobe Acrobat, whether you're on a PC or a Mac. Adding page transitions can give your PDF presentations a much more polished and professional touch, making them more engaging for viewers. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Once you have your document open, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find the global toolbar. Click on the Edit option. This will allow you to modify aspects of your PDF document, including its layout and transitions. Next, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Organize Pages. This feature is essential as it lets you manage the order and look of your pages, providing various options to enhance your PDF file. Within the Organize Pages section, you'll find the Page Transitions option. Click on it to proceed. You'll now see the Page Transitions dialog box pop up. This is where the magic happens. From the drop-down menu in this dialog box, you can select the transition style you'd like. Adobe Acrobat offers several transition styles like fades, dissolves, or wipes, among others. Choose one that best suits the tone and style of your presentation. After choosing your transition style, you'll want to specify additional details. Look closely at the options available to select the direction and speed of your transition. You can have the pages slide in from the left, right, up, or down, and adjust how quickly they appear to do so. This allows you to customize the viewing experience for your audience further. In the page range section next, indicate the specific range of pages you want the transition to apply to. This could be all pages, a single page, or a specific selection. It's all about tailoring the experience to suit your particular document needs. Once you've set your preferences, simply click OK. This will save your settings and apply the transitions to your selected page range. Now you'll want to close the Organize Pages panel by clicking the Close button in the toolbar. To see your newly added transitions in action, head to the top left corner of Adobe Acrobat and click on the Menu button. From there, select View and then opt for Full Screen mode. This mode is perfect for presentations as it displays your PDF without the usual toolbars and menus, allowing the transitions to shine. Finally, scroll through the pages of your document to watch the transitions in action. You'll see that as you move from one page to another, the transitions you set earlier are smoothly implemented, giving your document a seamless professional look. And there you have it, adding page transitions to your PDFs in Adobe Acrobat on both PC and Mac is as easy as that. Whether you're presenting to colleagues, clients, or an audience, these transitions can help elevate your documents to the next level. Thanks for watching and happy editing.